this problem we're going to look at and the next problem we're going to look at, number 14 and 15, are going to deal with energy changes. So in these particular equations, you're going to be looking at using a common chemistry equation where Q is equal to mc delta T. Q represents the amount of heat gained or lost. M is our mass. C is our specific heat capacity. And then delta T would be our change in temperature. So our A problem on this one is asking us, we have a 650 gram block of iron. So our mass is going to be 650 grams. It's heated to 95 degrees, so our initial temperature is going to be 95 degrees Celsius. And it's cooled to 38 degrees. So our final temperature, or our second temperature, is going to be 38 degrees Celsius. It says the specific heat capacity of iron, so that's our C value, is 450 joules per gram degree Celsius. And we're looking for the change in heat, which would be our Q value. The main thing you got to remember when you're dealing with one substance is that your delta T is going to be equal to your final temperature minus your initial temperature. So this is going to allow us to have a specific sign for Q. So now if I substitute in all the values that I have here to solve for my Q, I'll have Q is going to be equal to our mass of 650 grams. Our specific heat capacity is 0.450 joules per gram degree Celsius. And then our initial temperature was 95. Our final temperature was 38, so we'll put our 38 first, minus our 95, and that's going to, you'll see, give us a negative Q value. That'll be important when we decide whether we have an endo or exothermic process. So basically now all we got to do is multiply all these together. We'll go ahead and do the subtraction first. So if I do that subtraction, I'll get a negative 57 degrees Celsius. And then now I'm going to take 650, multiply by 0.45, multiply by negative 57, and my Q value will be a negative 16,672.5. Since it's a Q value, my G is on the top, on the bottom here, so those will cancel. My Celsius on top here, bottom here, top here, that'll cancel, so I'll be left in joules. My Q units should always be joules, or in some cases it'll be calories, but both of these are heat units. Now for the B part of this one, it's asking, the next part